During this video, we're going to go ahead and replace the air filter on this 2002 through 2003 Nissan Maxima. So first things first, we're going to go ahead and get our replacement air filter ready. Now to remove the existing air filter, you just have these two clips on this housing that supports the filter, which is located right behind the battery. Take a good look at the air filter, make sure nothing real bad is happening in there, you don't have any water or any other buildup. Either way, I typically will swap one of these out every year. Some people try to go in there and vacuum things out. It's just easier for me to just replace it. I know it's done. Typically I do it in the spring or summer. And the installation is pretty much the opposite of the removal. Set that right back into place, and let's go ahead and put this cartridge right back into the housing. Now before you put it back in the housing, get a look at the air box and make sure there's nothing in there. In my case, sometimes a leaf or two might slip in there, but nothing major. But get a good look in there, make sure there's no damage. And then let's go ahead and reinstall that air filter. And that pretty much wraps it up. You're all done. I hope this video was useful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and most of all, safe travels.